This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get nighttime data. First, clearly define what information you need to gather during the night. This helps in choosing the right tools and methods. Next, select specialized equipment designed for low light or darkness, such as infrared cameras or sensitive light meters. Finally, establish a precise schedule for your data collection to ensure you capture information exclusively during the desired nighttime periods. Once your goals are set, focus on your equipment. Make sure you have robust power solutions, like long-lasting batteries or a stable power supply, for continuous operation throughout the night. Calibrate all your sensors and devices specifically for night conditions to guarantee precise and dependable data. Also, always secure your setup to protect against environmental factors and potential interference, ensuring uninterrupted data capture. With your setup ready, begin the collection process. Start your automated data logging precisely at the beginning of your designated night period. It's crucial to monitor the data streams remotely for any unexpected readings or system malfunctions. Always have backup protocols in place, such as redundant storage or power, to safeguard against any potential data loss during the entire nighttime collection phase. After successful collection, the next step is analysis. Process your raw nighttime data using appropriate software to uncover patterns and insights specific to the dark hours. Comparing this information with daytime observations can provide valuable context and highlight significant differences. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and resources mentioned in this video. We hope these steps help you effectively gather and understand your nighttime data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.